Hello, everyone. The ongoing story about the war in Ukraine right now in most of the news channels is yet another raid, one of the biggest ones with drones against Ukrainian civilian targets. So there's been drone strikes against Ukraine's capital, Kyiv. There were also strikes in Odessa, Kharkiv, and Kherson. There is a story about a rocket that struck Odessa specifically. So this is the type of rocket that was fired. It caused a big explosion. Basically, it sounds like a Russian airplane Tu-22M3. It launched missiles H-22. These were built to fire against aircraft carriers. Instead, it was fired against people sleeping in their beds. They are difficult to shoot down. The latest in excuses by retarded Russian political pundits is that the reason the rockets keep missing the targets that they were intended for, some military targets, the reason they keep landing in the civilian areas is Earth's curvature. Really? Guys, ballistics, taking into account gravity and Earth's curvature, is taught in 5th grade physics in Russia and Ukraine. That's part of the standard program. A 5th grader could make that calculation. So just stop. Another story that is still unfolding is Wagner Group being unable to make a friggin' decision that is in the best interest for them. So they have not received any new ammunition. They just received a promise of a new ammunition. And they're now saying that they're staying. But again, we're talking about a promise by the Russian government, which lies. And then there is this article in The Guardian regarding what's going on actually within Russia. And basically, it talks about the broad suppression of the freedom of speech and the best and the brightest leaving the country. Good for them.